Guys, Steve C. asked this question the other day in the Fender Tone Master Pro group on Facebook. Hey all, I'm pretty sure I know the answer is no, but is it possible to create a separate preset for vocals as opposed to a separate chain within the same preset for vocals? It would be nice to not have to create a separate chain vocal preset every time I create a new guitar preset. Well, I replied and told him that the answer was yes, as just about everyone else did who replied to him. I also explained how to go about doing it, and he really liked my idea. Now, it wasn't exactly what he was looking for. I think he wanted to add a pre-existing mic preset to a pre-existing guitar preset, and right now that's just not possible. But I came up with an alternate solution that I think works just as well. So of course, I thought it would be a good idea to turn into a video. What we're going to make is something that I call the guitar/mic preset template. All right, let's set it up. Step 1. Go to the touchscreen or the Pro Control app. Start with an empty preset and click on Preset Settings. Click on Signal Path Type and choose Instrument plus Mic Line Series. Click on the blue Confirm. Now click the back arrow. Step 2. This signal path puts the instrument path on top and the mic/line path on the bottom. Step 3. Leave the instrument path completely empty. Go down to the mic/line path and add your microphone processing. We'll add the studio compressor, hit the blue Confirm, the studio preamp, again hit the blue Confirm, the EQ3 parametric EQ, hit the blue Confirm, the studio delay, hit the blue Confirm, and lastly, the large plate reverb, and hit that blue Confirm. Now, that's a pretty serious vocal rig setup right there. Step 4, really dial in your mic settings. Then save your preset as guitar/mic preset template. Press save. Again, do not add any guitar processing. We'll add that in the next step. So now you have your template. Every time you want to start a new preset, here's what you do. You build your first preset by selecting the template, click on Save, and in this case, we're going to change the title to Acoustic Guitar/Mic Preset. Now what you want to do is select Next Empty Preset and hit Save. Now you can see the preset template is 176. My new preset is 177. Step 6. Now you can create your first guitar signal path. We'll add the Acoustasonic amp head, hit Confirm, the EQ5 graphic EQ, hit the blue Confirm, the dynamic delay, blue Confirm, and once again the large plate reverb, hit Confirm. Now go ahead and dial that path in, and when you're done, hit Save. And you have just created your vocal plus acoustic guitar preset. Step 7, repeat steps 5 and 6 as often as needed, creating a new preset each time. That's it. Now whenever you need to set up a new preset that involves both vocals and guitars, your vocal chain is already set up. All you have to do is just set up your guitar preset like you would do anyway. I'm guessing that your vocal chain will not really need to change much from preset to preset, but your guitar settings definitely will. So try it out. Let me know how it works for you, or if you even have found an improvement on this process. I'd love to hear about that. And if you're still here, thank you so much for stopping by and sticking around. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, drop them here and I get to them as soon as I possibly can. And I'll do what I can to help you out. Now, I'll be having all new content next Wednesday. You don't want to miss that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, have a fabulous weekend, and I'll be talking with you again next week.